My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, and thank you for listening to my YouTube channel. They're short, brief, and to the point, and me and my M&M man gives you a big thumbs up. So today I'm going to talk to you about what are your options to resolve IRS debt. There's a lot of stuff out there, and a lot of people telling you a lot of stuff, but I've worked maybe, I don't know, 10,000 cases. You have generally three options to resolve IRS debt. The first is a hardship or currently non-collectible, and that is you really don't have enough money to pay your expenses. But there's a catch. It's not the expenses that you think are expenses. It's the expenses IRS thinks they're expenses. So IRS has formulated a national standard of expenses across the nation, the region, and the local where you live. So they have a food and clothing expense that's national. They have local standards, which are in the county that you live in. They have car expenses. So you got to understand that formula they have, because IRS will allow what they think you should have by where you live. The second is you can make a payment agreement. There's all kinds of payments agreements. You can make payment agreements up to $1 million with Internal Revenue Service, and really even more. Some require financial statements and some don't. And then the third way, and that's the way everyone wants, is offer and compromise. That means you can settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. But before you run off to do that, there's a qualifier. You have to give IRS your total liquidity in all your assets. That's the base rule. So if you had a house that has $20,000 worth of equity and about a $10,000 payment worth of assets, your base offer there is $30,000. You must give IRS the liquidity you already have. By the way, you can file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy if the taxes are 3 years or older, and other rules that go with that. And your other option is the IRS has 10 years to collect the money from the date of the assessment. So just so you know, you have different options. If you have questions, call me. You want me to do a YouTube video on something you want, just let me know. I'm happy to help. Thank you.